Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook and making a quick backup. This protects changes. Next, confirm which columns hold the data you need and note example search terms. Once done, turn on calculation and enable editing so formulas respond immediately. Make sure to inspect header rows for exact labels because matching headers drives accuracy. Now move your cursor to the Sheet tab that contains the target data and be ready to start systematic searching using built-in tools. You press Ctrl+F to jump to the first hits and refine with match case or match entire cell contents. This is the fastest first pass. Then apply auto filter to headers so you can layer conditions across multiple columns, for example, date plus status. For reliable extraction, use index with match or filter if available. These produce stable results you can reference elsewhere. Once you set formulas, copy values if you need a static snapshot. This prevents accidental recalculation later. You finalize by converting formula results to values and saving with a new file name so you preserve the original. Make sure to validate. Look for hidden rows, inconsistent data types, or leading and trailing spaces that break matches. If things go wrong, run trim on text, use value to coerce numbers, and text to columns for delimiter cleanup. These fixes resolve most mismatches. If results still differ, step back and test with a known sample row to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.